So yesterday we discussed about the three characters in the lesson. Matilda, then her husband Loisel, then her friend Madame Forestier. We also saw the theme of the story. Then we also saw that how that lady was very unhappy. The cause of her happiness was she was not happy with her life. She was poor and she wanted to enjoy the luxuries of the rich people. She wanted to have all the luxuries which the rich people have. And this lady was having a friend called Madame Forestier, but she was also jealous of her friend. Why she was jealous? Because whenever she used to go to her house, and when after coming back from her house, she used to weep for a long time. And her husband, on the other hand, he was quite satisfied person, though he was earning very less. He was a clerk in the Department of Education. And whenever he praised the food, whenever he admired the food at the dining table बैठने के बाद, when he used to say, oh, what a delicious dish you have made, she would not agree with him. उसके साथ agree नहीं करती थी. She used to imagine the food served in a costly plates and the food which was served in a big restaurants, and that's why we saw that she was very unsatisfied woman. Then she was also unsatisfied with her furniture. She was also unsatisfied with the shabby walls, dirty walls. And in overall, she found problem in everything which her husband was providing to her. She used to complain that she does not have nice clothes. She used to complain that she doesn't have the costly jewelries. And her husband, on the other hand, was very loving person. He was very caring person. She used to give her everything she wanted. And suddenly what happens, one day he came from the office, and then let's see what happened. One evening, are you ready, children? Now we will see the next part. Are you ready? Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Do you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next, let's see. So one day what happened, one evening her husband returned elated means happy, bearing in his hand a large envelope. He was carrying an envelope when he came back from his office, and he said to his wife, here, he said, here is something for you. She quickly drew out a printed card on which were inscribed these words. He took out he was carrying one envelope, and he gave that envelope to his wife, and he said, here is something for you. And see, what did she do? She drew out. She opened the envelope and she took out the card, and these words were inscribed. Inscribed means written in that. There was one invitation card inside that envelope, and what was written in that on that envelope invitation card? See, the Minister of Education and Madame Ramponian request the pleasure of the company of Monsieur and Madame Loisel at the ministry on the evening of Monday, January the 18th. See, that Minister of Education, he had arranged, and his wife, name is given there, Madam, they had arranged a party, and they had invited, Monsieur means Matilda, Mr. Loisel and his wife, Madame Loisel, and at the ministry on the evening of Monday ke din, January the 18th, date is given. So they were invited by this rich couple, Minister of Education. So he got this invitation for his wife, and then what happened? What was the reaction? Now this was a good opportunity for her. Now what was the reaction of Matilda? Matilda ka reaction kya hai? You can see here. She quickly drew out a printed card on which we have just written. So next paragraph you see, instead of being delighted, instead of means khush hone ke bajay, being happy, what was her reaction? Because her husband was hoping that she would be very happy, but as her husband had hoped that she would become delighted, she would become jubilant, she would become happy, what did she do? she threw the invitation spitefully means hatefully. Where? Upon the table. टेबल पे उसने वो इन्विटेशन फेंक दिया. एंड मर्मर मीन्स शी स्पीक इन अ लो वॉइस. लो वॉइस में कहती है, व्हाट डू यू सपोज आई वांट विद दैट? व्हाट शुड आई डू विद दिस इन्विटेशन? व्हाट डू यू वांट मी टू डू? आप क्या चाहते हो, मैं क्या करूं इस इन्विटेशन का? हर हस्बैंड रिप्लाइड, बट डियर मीन्स डियर, I thought it would make you happy. You never go out. And this is an occasion and a fine one. Everyone wishes one. And it is very select. Not many are given to employees. What was his reply? He said, my wife, dear wife, I thought that you would become very happy. Because why? You got a very good chance to go to the party. Because I am the very selected, one of the very selected few employees who got this invitation. All the employees are not given this invitation. And because you want to attend such party, this is a good opportunity for you, good occasion for you. So you must go, because you will see the whole official world there. You will see the whole official, all the rich people, rich officers in that party. So this is a very good chance for you. This is what her husband said when she threw away the card. Then what did she say? She looked at him with an irritated eye. Irritated means angry eye. She looked at him with it and declare impatiently. Impatiently means वो बिल्कुल वो कहती है unhappily, dissatisfiedly. वो क्या कहती है? What do you suppose I have to wear to such a thing as that? You are telling me to attend this party, but tell me, my husband, what should I wear? Because this is not an ordinary party. All the rich people, high class people are coming there. And so in such party, what should I wear? मैंने क्या पहनना चाहिए? I don't have costume. Costume means कपड़े. Okay. Then next, he had not thought of that. अभी उसने जब when he had got that invitation card, he had not thought over this. He never thought that his wife did not have nice clothes. So he stammered. Stammered means his stammering करना मतलब लड़खड़ाना बोलना. He was not able to speak properly. So he stammered. Then he said, he suggested. उसने क्या suggest किया? The dress you wear when we go to the theater, it seems very pretty to me. Pretty means beautiful. You have got one dress. The dress which you wore when we had gone to the theater. Theater में जब हम कुछ ड्रामा देखने के लिए गए थे वो थिएटर में, उस वक्त तुमने जो ड्रेस पहना था, that dress seems very beautiful to me. It is a very beautiful dress. You must wear that. उसको पहन सकते हो तुम. He was silent. He was silent, stupefied. He did not know what to say to his wife. In dismay, dismay means unhappiness, sadness, at the sight of his wife weeping, he stammered, what is the matter? What is the matter? But she did not like his suggestion. She started weeping. When she started weeping, what was the condition of Mr. Loisel? He was silent. He did not know how to console her. उसको कैसे शांत किया जाए? How to make her calm? He was stupefied. He did not know what to say to her. And in sadness, at the sight of his wife weeping, he again said, "What is the matter? क्या हुआ? What should I do for you? मैं क्या करना चाहिए मैंने तुम्हारे लिए?" Then, by a violent effort, she had controlled her vexation and responded in a calm voice, wiping her moist cheek. Now there were tears on her cheek. She wiped her tears, and with a calm voice, she said, she controlled her vexation means anger. And in a calm voice, she said, क्या कहती है वो? Nothing. I am there is no matter with me. Okay, she said, मुझे कुछ नहीं हुआ है. Only I have no dress, and consequently means because of that I cannot go to this affair. Affair means party. This is my problem. You are asking me what is the matter? The problem is that why I am weeping? Because I want to attend the party, but I will not go to the party because I don't have any dress, and that's why I don't want to join this party. Give your card to some colleague whose wife is better fitted out than I. She suggested to her husband, give this card. ये कार्ड दे दो किसको? टू सम ऑफ योर कलीग्स. कलीग मीन्स द पर्सन हु वर्क्स विथ यू, तुमसे साथ जो काम करता है, दूसरा कलीग हु डिड नॉट गेट द इनविटेशन कार्ड, जो उसको नहीं मिला है. यू गिव दिस कार्ड टू हिम बिकॉज हिज वाइफ, वो पर्सन की वाइफ इज बेटर फिटेड आउट देन आई. बेटर फिटेड मीन्स शी हैज गॉट बेटर क्लोथ्स. all the wives of your colleagues, they have got better clothes than me. मुझसे ज्यादा कपड़े अच्छे होंगे उन सबके पास, उन्हीं को दे दो किसी एक को, वो जाएगी पार्टी, मैं नहीं जाऊंगी. So he was very grieved. Grieved means very sad. Grieved, very pained. बहुत दुखी हो गया वो. But answered, उसने क्या आंसर दिया? Let us see. ठीक है, Matilda, how much would a suitable costume cost? What will be the price of a suitable costume? Suitable costume means अब वो she was going to that party, the costume may be very costly. ऐसे पार्टी में तो कॉस्टली लेना ही है. So how much would it would cost? कितना प्राइस होगा? Something that would serve for other occasions, something very simple. And you purchase that dress if it is not that much costly, and if you purchase, it would be useful for you on some other occasions also. दूसरे occasion में भी तुम को काम में आएगा. Something very simple. Don't buy costly. We will buy a dress which is within our budget, जो हमारे बजट में होगा. So उसने पूछा कितनी कॉस्ट हो सकती है ऐसे ड्रेस की. And then see what was her response. उसका response क्या था वाइफ का? She reflected. She started thinking for some second, thinking of a sum that she could ask for without bringing with an immediate refusal and frightened exclamation from the economical clerk. She knew that her husband was very economical. He would not spend too much money. So उसने क्या किया? She started thinking. She was very clever woman. जब उसने husband ने उसको ये किया कि चलो हम एक तुम्हारे लिए we will buy a dress, how much it would cost. She did not give answer immediately. उसने आंसर नहीं दिया. She started thinking. For a second she thought the sum means amount, वो पैसा कितना लगेगा, that she could ask, उसको मांग सकते हैं without bringing with an immediate refusal. She was also scared. उसको डर था कि if she demands a big amount, there is a possibility that her husband may refuse it. Refuse करना मतलब नकारेगा. और there would be frightened explanation. Frightened, he would get frightened after hearing the amount. उसको डर लगेगा या फिर explanation बोलेगा क्या इतना सारा amount. So she knew that her husband was very economical person. So finally what did she do? She said in a hesitating voice. Hesitating voice means उसको थोड़ा संकोच हो रहा था कि इतना amount मैं बताऊंगी whether my husband will give me or not. So hesitatingly she said, I cannot tell exactly. I don't know the price of beautiful dress exactly, but it seems to me that 400 francs. Francs is the currency of France. France की currency francs. So it would be a 400 francs ought to cover it. Ought means must. We should cover it. Cover it means we will be able to buy a beautiful dress suitable for the party in 400 francs. 400 francs में मिल सकता है ड्रेस, वो कहती है. So he turned a little pale after hearing the amount. He turned pale. Pale means because it was a big amount for him. थोड़ा वो he became worried a little bit. He turned pale because he had saved just this sum. उतना पैसा जमा करके रखा था. That amount for what? To buy a gun, that he might be able to join some hunting parties the next summer with some friends who went to shoot larks on Sunday. Lark is a bird. So what used to happen? Actually, he had saved 400 francs. For what? Because he wanted to buy a gun. Gun खरीदना था. Because his friends, they used to go on a hunting party. Hunting शिकार पे जाते थे. Next summer में जाना था उसको भी उनके साथ. ओके और वो जो फ्रेंड्स थे उसके हर संडे जाते थे. एवरी संडे दे यूज्ड टू गो ऑन hunting. They used to hunt larks. Lark is a bird. So he had also decided to go on such hunting party, and that's why he wanted to buy a gun, and that's why he had saved the money. But now he decided to give that amount to his wife. This is the one example which shows that this man was a very sacrificing husband. Sacrifice करना जानता था. See, उसके अपने he put before him the happiness of his wife. Though he decided not to buy the gun, and he decided to give that amount to his wife to buy a new dress. Nevertheless, फिर भी क्या हुआ? He answered. क्या कहता है? Very well, I will give you 400 francs, but try to have a pretty dress. He said, okay, you don't worry. If you want 400 francs, I will give you, but you buy a pretty dress, beautiful dress. Then यहां तक समझ में आया बच्चों? हेलो
सर.
समझ में आ रहा है?
यस सर.
ओके ठीक है बेटा. ओके ओके देन wait. Now the day of the ball approach. Ball is the dance. जो ball मैंने बोला था पार्टी में जो couple dance करते, that is called ball. The day of the ball approached, came. It was the day of the ball. Approach means came, and Mrs. Loisel seemed sad. Again she was sad. Now she was given the dress, even then she was sad. She was disturbed. She was anxious, worried. Anxious means worried, disturbed. Her dress was nearly ready. The dress was already purchased and it was ready, and even then she was looking very sad. Her husband said to her one evening, her husband came, and he did not know now what was the reason for her unhappiness. And so he came and she asked, what is the matter with you now? That day you were sad because you did not have the dress. Now you got the dress, even then you are looking sad. Why? What is the matter with you? You have acted strangely for 2 or 3 days. जब जैसे भी दिन आ रहा था करीब वो पार्टी का, and you are not acting properly, normally. You are looking very much disturbed. Okay, I am observing from last 2-3 days. 2-3 दिन से मैं observe कर रहा हूँ. And she responded. उसने response क्या दिया? I am vexed not to have a jewel. I am worried. Vexed means I am not happy. I am very disturbed. Because vexed means disturbed because I don't have a jewel. Jewel means jewelry. Nothing to add on. Add on means decorate myself with. I can't decorate myself with any jewelry because I don't have any jewelry. I shall have such a poverty-stricken look. If I go without a necklace or without any jewelry, how shall I look? मैं कैसे दिखूंगी? Poverty-stricken. Poverty का तो गरीबी. And I would look very poor woman if I don't wear a necklace or any jewel. I would prefer. Remember, I would prefer means would prefer का like. I would like not to go to this party. So I have decided not to go to this party. He replied. देखिए उसको फिर से बोलिए कि अब मैं पार्टी नहीं जाऊंगी. This was again the new question, new problem for Mr. Loisel. Again he said, you can wear some natural flowers. He suggested her. What is the problem? If you don't have any jewel, you can wear the natural flower. Natural flower, so इसको तुम पहन सकती हो. In this season, they look very nice. Chic means very nice. This flower looks very nice in this season. She was not convinced. She did not like his suggestion. उसका suggestion उसको पसंद नहीं आया. No, she said, मैं नहीं पहनूंगी natural flower. I won't wear. There is nothing more humiliating, insulting. There is no more insulting than to have a shabby air in the midst of rich women. Now you see, midst means there are very rich. There will be very rich women in that party, and I will look very shabby. Shabby means very dirty if I don't wear necklace or any jewel or any diamond. So it is very insulting for me, so I will not go in the party. मैं party नहीं जाऊंगी. Then again her husband cried out. Suddenly some new thought came in the mind of her husband. तो उसके मन में क्या आया? Now अभी देखिए उसके लिए possible नहीं था. It was not possible for him to buy a new jewel or new necklace or new diamond. So he suggested to her. क्या कहता है वो? How stupid we are. We are very stupid. We are very foolish. Go and find your friend Madam Forrester. Madam Forrester के पास जाओ and ask her to lend you. Lend you means lend is the opposite of borrow. Borrow मतलब उधार लेना. Lend means उधार देना. And ask her to lend you her jewels. She will give you her jewels. उसके पास बहुत सारे jewels है. Your friend is very rich. So go to her and ask for her any jewel. She uttered a cry of joy. And now she liked this suggestion. उसका suggestion उसको पसंद आया. And she uttered. She uttered means she cried out with joy. She said, yes, it is true. She said, I had not thought of that. I had not thought of that. This thought did not come in my mind. And so this is the suggestion which was given to his wife by Mr. Loisel. And she decided to accept that suggestion. And she decided to go to the house of Madam Forrester to borrow that necklace. So children, we have discussed this much. Now here जो अभी हमने पढ़ा है, here are some questions. Just we will see whether you are able to answer these questions or not. All are simple question. Just check out. See, number one, you can answer. You can raise the hand. I will ask you if you know the answer. And even if you don't know, try to listen what the others give the reply. उनके reply सुनना है आपको. Number one, what kind of a person was Mrs. Loisel? Raise the hand. What kind of person was Mrs. Loisel? Who will answer? Yes, Ashwatya, tell. Ashwatya, tell. Ashwatya, can you hear? Ashwatya, can you hear me? आवाज नहीं आ रहा है इधर आराम से. अश्वत्य आवाज आ रही है क्या बेटा? दुर्गेश मुझे आता आवाज येईना ना. आवाज नाही येत. कोणाला आवाज कोणाला येत आहे? कोणी आवाज आन्सर द्या. व्हॉट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन वॉज मिसेस लॉयसेल? हेलो, एनीबडी? आवाज नहीं येत आहे का रे व्यवस्थित?
येत आहे सर.
मग आन्सर देना बेटा कोणीतरी. Anyone? What kind of person she was, Mrs. Loisel? Ajay Mahale, can you answer?
Yes, sir.
आर्या, आर्या बताओ, आंसर बताओ इसका.
Sir, she was not satisfied with what she had.
देखो बोला कितना बढ़िया आंसर देते हो. तो भी तुम इतना टाइम लगाते हो. बोलो हाँ, she was not happy what with the things which she had. Okay, why was she unhappy? Arya, why was she unhappy?
Sir, because she didn't have any nice dress to wear in that party.
Okay, no, that is the after overall. What was her character? She was always unhappy. Why? What kind of life?
Because she wanted to live a rich life, as she was beautiful.
Yes. Yes, she wanted to get.
She wanted to live a rich life.
Very good.
But she was not. She didn't get it.
Yes, that is the reason. Very good. Okay, next question देखिए. What kind of person is her husband? Now Anuja will tell. Anuja Tale. Anuja, can you hear? Okay, Aarti. Anyone? Arpita? What kind of her husband is? You don't want to give the answer, right? Do you know the answer? Karthik? Karthik, yes. Karthik, tell. Karthik Zugdan. What kind of her husband is? Her husband, Karthiki, who will answer? Veera, you tell.
Her husband was very satisfied person and loving. He always fulfilled her wife needs
Okay.
and gave her everything she wanted, tried to give
Okay.
him.
ठीक है. Next question. What did Matilda's husband bring home one evening? What did Matilda's husband bring home one evening? Shreya, are you there? Gauri Dhawade, tell. Gauri.
Invitation card.
Yes, invitation card. From where he did from where did he get the invitation from? कहाँ से मिला था उसको
The
invitation?
Minister of Public Instruction.
Very good, nice. And why was he so happy? Her husband? When he got the invitation?
Because he thought
Yes, correct. बोलो बेटा.
because he thought that her wife get happy when she saw the invitation card.
Yes, because he thought that his wife would become very happy when she saw. And another reason was that he was one of the very few selected people, employees who had got this invitation card. And that's why he was very happy. Good. Next. How did Matilda react when Loisel brought her an invitation to a ball? What was the reaction of his wife when he got that invitation card? Anyone? Raise the hand, please. Don't hesitate to answer. है ना, आंसर देने के लिए हेजिटेट नहीं करना है बेटा, आंसर देना है. रेज द हैंड, आई विल आस्क हिम और हर. श्रेया, आर यू देयर? श्रेया डुकरे?
Yes, sir.
Please give the answer beta. How did what was the reaction of Matilda?
So she did not react well as she was unhappy because she was not having a good dress and jewelries to wear in the party.
Okay, so what did she do with the card? She threw away. Yeah, she threw it on the table. Correct. Okay, very good. Next one.
Yes.
Very next. What was Loisel's reaction to Matilda's desire for a new dress? How much did the costume cost? Loisel का reaction क्या है to Matilda's desire for a new dress के लिए? What did he suggest? Sanskishna, are you there? Roshan, are you there? Sambhaji? Okay, who will answer? Priya? Okay, Gauri, you tell. Gauri, tell. What was Loisel's reaction?
He suggested to wear the dress, she is wearing while going to the theater.
Very good, very good. And how much did the costume cost? First of all, he suggested to
400.
Then what did he suggest?
400 francs.
Yes, he suggested, very good. He suggested to her buy a new dress, which would cost 400 francs. Correct. Okay. So children, we will stop here, and tomorrow we will see the next part of the lesson. And let me see how many have joined today. Let me see. $42 only. आज बाकी के बच्चे नहीं आए. So children, we will stop. Tomorrow we will meet again, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Okay, bye. Captain, please take the attendance.